My baby girl right here. Oh, I'm about to get smacked real quick. Oh, I'm just here to update y'all real quick. I know a lot of y'all looking at this like, where's the fuel return system? Kind of just hanging here, I'm not gonna lie to you, until I figure out the fuel pressure regulator issue. The AEM fuel pressure regulator I had started spewing fuel out of the vacuum port, which it's not supposed to do. The funny part, I went and ordered the wrong fuel pressure regulator with a 6 AN orb instead of an 8 AN orb, so it's not gonna fit on here. So now I have to return it and wait on that. Everything's set up already though, it's just hanging here. Just using the returnless setup right now to daily drive the car. It's probably gonna take about a week or so to get the new fuel pressure regulator out so I can install it. If it doesn't, then that's it. The car's just been sitting, honestly. I didn't care anymore. I put the old fuel pressure regulator back in where the fuel cell is instead of the blank, so I can just run the returnless setup for now. It's lit though, man. I missed this thing. I haven't driven this car in like 2.5, 3 weeks. Feels good to finally just go on a drive, you know. Probably take a little drive downtown. I'm out of Amway Center right now. Amway Center with a Magic Play, big lit in Orlando. Yes, sir. I know y'all haven't seen me in a minute too, young lady. I got braids on you, twist, got braids, got some braids on you, you know what I'm saying? Some light. I'm about to head up to New York. It's snowing in New York right now, but I'm gonna try to find y'all some car content in New York. But I'm definitely gonna vlog a little bit up there, get y'all in tune with my New York side of things, you know. Let me get y'all some sound clips. We'll just go back and forth. I hope nobody steal this camera, bro. I'm about to hunt this. Don't ask me why we're here. I don't know. Why do I have a jacket on in Florida? I don't know. Just rip it out.
They don't recognize now that I'm blasting.
Big pause.
I drop a couple for them Maggies. You can talk a lot, but it get tragic. From